Good afternoon. I am delighted to be able to chat with you a few minutes this afternoon. And I want to first of all comment and commend you on the discussion boards. You are doing an excellent job, and I appreciate the input of all of you. I have graded all your participation and have indicated some areas where a few of you need a little more focus. Remember that the minimum words for your first initial post is 300 words, and for your interactive post, of which there needs to be two, they each need to be minimally 100 words. And our deadlines are the initial post by Friday night, 11:59 Chicago time, and the interactive post by Sunday night, 11:59 Chicago time. That's Sunday night. Now, I want to encourage you to go back on Sunday or Monday and look for any additional posts because there are some questions that I have been asked of the initial post that need to be answered. That's just courteous. When I don't respond to my wife's questions, that's not very nice, is it? And the thing that I get is yes, I'm your instructor, I'm your professor, but I have been inspired by these heroes that you chose and the character qualities that you emphasized and the way that you interacted on so many different things. I have stayed in the shadows on the commenting this week just because I want you to interact with each other, and you're off to a fantastic start. So you'll see me in the comments in the coming weeks. And I want you to know that, again, I read every comment that is made, every post. I read it, and they are sure a blessing to me. On the interactive post, I want I want to interact a little bit about that. You ask questions, you develop it as there's some wonderful examples of this in the way some of you have posted this week, so that if I posted about three qualities, that was the requirement, you could add another one, and now we have a broader base. Or you could say, well, you said integrity, but how do you put integrity with the way this event in the life of the hero? So those are the kind of things. I am concerned about the content. And so this week, I really didn't pay much attention to grammar and spelling. I think I gave everybody 5 points on that one out of the potential 20. Read the rubric, and you see the definitions there, the explanations of them, and I think that answers your questions. But if not, you know how to get a hold of me. Let's see. I think that's what I want to say about DBs. Um, this be sure for week one that you get your reading post posted by tonight. And I, when I post a video, I am able to have a count on how many people view it. And I noticed that my week one wind-up video has only had 18 views. That means some of you are not getting valuable information because I want you to see my face. I that's a nicer way to interact. See, you can't see me shaking my hand on a piece of paper. So uh, that'd be an interesting announcement, wouldn't it? Put this, and then you put up two fingers in parentheses. And so, and a number of you haven't apparently watched my self-introduction video. I want to encourage you to do that. This coming week, week two, you will have two discussion boards, and then you also have the assignment number one, and those are on that document that I sent to you separately apart from the syllabus. But then in the syllabus, it also notes reading assignment, a video, a supplemental material to read, as well as a video quiz to take. So we're off to a good start. I'm very encouraged by that. I had a great weekend Friday night for our senior adults, I did a monologue on the life of Peter, and it can be summarized in a simple way. It was not a good Friday for him. His mentor and friend had been crucified earlier in the day amidst a lot of hostilities, and he failed his mentor by running off, by denying him, by arguing with him about the foot washing, by arguing with him at the banquet over the fact that he would go with Jesus anywhere Jesus went, would even lay down his life for him. And it was a very dark and dismal night on Good Friday for Peter, and it stayed that way for Saturday, so that when Sunday came, it was extremely difficult for Peter and the other disciples to really believe that Jesus was alive. And speaking of Jesus alive, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day of celebration of Easter. God bless you.